Hi there, come on in.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Baby Pipito, presently living in Cebu City, Philippines.
Are you married, single?
I'm still single.
Okay. Tell me about your nursing experience.
I've been working as a staff nurse here in the Philippines for around 5 years. Presently, I am teaching in the College of Nursing in University of Cebu. But prior to that, I'm working in Saudi Arabia as a staff nurse, specializing in emergency room as well as the medical and surgical wards.
How long were you in Saudi Arabia?
I've been working there straight for 3 years.
Oh, I see. So your expertise is what field do you think?
I highly prefer to be assigned in emergency room.
Okay. In that time, do you have an anecdote story you want to share with us?
Yes, of course. It was a great experience for me as a nurse. I was bringing a patient to another hospital for an MRI procedure. The patient, while on our way inside the ambulance, I noticed that he no longer breathing. When I was assessing the level of consciousness, I noticed that he's already unconscious. With my skills, I've learned from my basic care life support from American Heart Association. I regained the consciousness of my patients, and I successfully and grateful. I'm so grateful with that success that I've helped the life of my patient.
Oh, nice story. So what do you think some of the reasons are you want to move to New Zealand?
I really love to go to New Zealand because I know New Zealand country, especially in terms of medical aspects, that they are using a high quality, and in terms of technology in managing patients medically, and I want also to improve my nursing skills. Basically, I want to have a good professional growth.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for coming in.
Welcome.